GoHighLevel versus System.io. Two popular all-in-one platform for online business, but which one is actually better for a beginner? If you have been struggling to figure out which tool to start with, stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which platform fits a beginner's needs best. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make tech and business tools simple, practical, and beginner friendly. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for link to free trial and deals for both platforms. But if you use the description link for the GoHighLevel, you can use the free trial up to 30 days instead of the 14 days. So don't miss that out. Okay, so let's start with the System.io first. This platform is designed for simplicity and ease of use. For beginners, this is perfect because it's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. So you can create funnel, send emails, and even sell your first digital product without getting overwhelmed by complex features. Everything is straightforward, so you can focus on learning and building your business instead of struggling with technology. On the other hand, we have the GoHighLevel. This is more powerful, but that power can feel overwhelming for beginners. It's built for the agencies, marketers, and entrepreneurs who need the advanced automation, CRM, SMS marketing, and more while it can do everything. The learning curve is also the steeper and beginners might feel lost at the first. So if you just want to launch a simple campaign and start selling without extra feature, it might not be the easiest place to start. So when it comes to the funnel or the sales funnel, System.io makes it fast and simple. Drag and drop your pages, use the pre-made template and get your funnel running quickly. So we have the GoHighLevel for the funnel. In this case, GoHighLevel's funnel builder is more advanced and flexible, but it makes time to master. For someone who just starting out, System.io's speed and ease of use can be heavy advantage for them. System.io covers the basic well, the broadcast email, sequence, and simple automation. GoHighLevel is more advanced with workflow, the split test, and the SMS integration. While it's powerful, beginners may not need all of that immediately. Pricing also matters. System.io start at a very low cost and even has a free plan, which is great for beginners. GoHighLevel starts at higher, which is fine if you plan to scale quickly, but it might be too much for someone who just is starting out. So what is the final verdict? If you are a beginner looking for the simplicity and speed and affordability, then System.io is a best choice for you. If you plan to scale fast and need advanced feature and don't mind to the learning curve, then GoHighLevel might be the better option for the long term. If you want to try both of them, I have left the link in the description for the free trial. You can see which one fits for your business. That's all for today. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and share this video with someone who is starting online and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.